Entrepreneurship is a novel profession which provides income generation, employment opportunities, innovation, and technological transfer. It is not only a growing concept but also a age old. It would be existing as long as human beings. But at the same time, entrepreneurship is always concerned with profit and not about the society. If the society will be a sustainable, there is a need of few kind of entrepreneur. Yes, he is called as social entrepreneur.
Today, with social and economic inequality growing worldwide, millions of people are connected by the idea that it is possible to do business on a human scale. That it is possible to make money and do something good for the community. That idea is called social entrepreneurship. Social entrepreneurship is a new and creative approach to business, social engagements, and social services. Today, there are numerous organizations operating worldwide and in our country that we call social enterprises. A social enterprise is just like any other business. Its work is charged at market rates and it generates profit. What makes it a business on a human scale is the way that profit is used. Profit serves to fulfill clear social missions. Social enterprises do not serve to enlarge the wealth of their owners or shareholders. They operate in order to contribute to social equality and to improve the living conditions of people in the community. Generated profit is reinvested in the business or in realizing social goals like job creation, social inclusion, cultural needs, healthcare, and preservation of the environment. A social enterprise places social goals ahead of increased profit, uses business as a means of social change, resolves social problems through market strategies. Social entrepreneurship is also a good way for civil society organizations that want to reduce their dependency on donor assistance and gain greater financial and operational freedom. Starting a social enterprise is a challenge for all those to whom profit is not the only goal, who want a job that makes sense and has a purpose.
Social entrepreneur is an attempt to draw up business techniques to find solution to the social problems. This concept may be applied to a variety of organizations with different size, aims, and benefits. The social entrepreneur can transform the society into a self-sustainable not only in socially but also in economically. Now we can see some of the historical examples of leading social entrepreneurs. Susan B. Anthony, Vinoba Bhave, Dr. Maria Montessori, Florence Nightingale, John Muir, Jean Monnet, and also Muhammad Yunus, the founder of Grameen Bank. Let us see some of the famous Indian social entrepreneurs. Dr. Varghese Kurian, father of Indian milk revolution. Harish Kande, co-founder of Selco Solar. Dr. G. Venkadaswamy, founder of Aravind Eye Hospital. National Innovation Council Chairman Mr. Satyanarayanan Gangaram Pitroda. Social entrepreneur is an attempt to drop business techniques to find solution to the social problems. This concept may be applied to a variety of organizations with different size, aims and benefits. The social entrepreneur can transform the society into a self-sustainable not only in socially but also in economically. With this view, the Department of Commerce, Periyar EVR College has been organizing a national seminar on social entrepreneurship, a try for sustainability. I welcome all the resource persons, academicians, paper presenters, and participants on behalf of the Department of Commerce, Periyar EVR College. I also extend my warm invitation to you to discuss and share and disseminate the seminar theme, which will be a valuable and effective steps to shape the concept of the social entrepreneurship. With these few words, I wish to conclude my part as organizing secretary of the UGC sponsored National Seminar on Social Entrepreneurship, a try for sustainability. And before that, I am happy to announce you that with the permission of the principal and head of the department, you know the Department of Commerce organizing a national seminar every year. In this series, the Department of Commerce proposed to organize a national seminar on fostering scientific temper on business research on February 2016.